ఎవరెవరో చూస్తారు.
లైట్ పెట్టి ఇప్పుడు పెట్టి లైట్.
అరే అరే అరే. So we started at sharp 4 a.m. in the morning. So myself and Nani, we fueled up the engine. So as you all know, Shell was the preferred choice. So today also Shell was the preferred choice. So we had topped it up with 4,621 rupees of diesel, and on the way we picked up our friend Prashant. So now we are on Warangal highway heading straight towards Bhimunipadam waterfalls. So the bikes are going to come very soon. Stay tuned, guys. So the GPS shows 190 kilometers from Hyderabad. Bhimunipadam is around 190 kilometers from Hyderabad. So we have to take the NH 163 Warangal highway. As per GPS, it is continuously a straight track. So whenever any deviation comes, we are going to update you very soon. Arjun. So we are heading towards Mulugu Etur Nagaram road. So the GPS shows we need to take a right in the next half a kilometer. I'll show you where exactly the turning is.
400 meters.
In the next 400 meters you have a right. This is a small village. So the first pit stop would be Madina Masjid. So you need to find where Madina Masjid is in this village. So from Madina Masjid you will have a right turn, and here you go with the right turn.
Right.
So from Shiva Hospitals you need to take a right. So this is the right turn we need to take in order to go to Bhimunipadam waterfalls. So from here it is around 24 kilometers. Stay tuned for the next diversion. So after traveling for about 24 kilometers from the right turn what we have taken just now, you need to travel for about 24 kilometers, and after that you need to take a left. So the landmark would be, you would get this Pakhal road to your left. So probably we need to take this Pakhal road. Prashant, ee left hai kada?
ఉందట.
Okay. So this is Pakhal road. We need to take this Pakhal road. You have this masjid again, which will be your landmark, and you have all the beautiful jeeps parked right in front of the masjid.
Left.
So which would lead you to a T junction. So from this T junction you need to take the left. So once you take the left, we are going to tell you how many kilometers are left. Hold on.
90.
So we still have 19 kilometers, but there are many turns. So you need to take a right turn in the next 400 meters. So right turn is like, you need to take the Bhadrachalam road. So this would take you through the Bhadrachalam road, wherein you need to take a right. 180 meters you need to take a right. So let us see where this road leads us. Now this is Bhadrachalam road, we need to take a right here. So the landmark would be Raju Pan Shop.
రాజు పాన్ షాప్
Ah.
ఫేమస్ ఇది ఇక్కడ కూడా.
Raju Pan Shop, you need to take a right. Now you need to stay on this road for 14 kilometers, and you again need to take Mahabubabad Warangal left after 14 kilometers. So we still have 18 kilometers. So probably after the left turn we will have a 4 kilometer forest drive, I guess. But stay tuned, we'll give you updates. So after traveling for 14 kilometers, do not go by this highway. You need to take a diversion towards this muddy trail. So if you have to go to Bhimunipadam, you have to go through this muddy trail. So from here the distance is around 4.5 kilometers. So stay tuned. This is only just one way. So this road has led us to a beautiful green corridor.
ఆ కొండలే నాకు తెలిసి.
So probably the mountains which you are seeing right in front of your screen could be Bhimanipadam waterfalls. As we can see, there are many tourists making their way to Bhimanipadam waterfalls, and there are many tourists heading back home. So this road is around 4 kilometers. So we need to cross this road to see what exactly is in Bhimanipadam waterfalls. Stay tuned, insane wanderers. So we are just 1 kilometer away from Bhimanipadam waterfalls. So we found this beautiful scenic view. So we had to stop our beast here to get the glimpse of this scenic beauty. So in the next 1 kilometer, we are going to show you Bhimanipadam waterfalls. Stay tuned to Insane Wanderers. Mask it up.
Hi. Bye friends.
There you go. హాయ్ అండి, నేనండి గోడిపల్ శశాంక్ అండి, భీమునిపాదం అండి, కలుద్దామండి.
పదండి.
డ్రైవర్ చేంజ్. There you can see Bhimanipadam waterfalls, Pakhal Wildlife Sanctuary. About the right.
ఇక్కడికి ఎండ్ అయింది.
Stop.
లోపలికి వెళ్ళాలి. ఇటు వెళ్ళాలి లోపలికి.
అదేనా?
షూర్. 1 వే అనుకుంటా. కాలు తిరుగుతుంది మరి ఆడ.
తిరగదు. అయినా దిస్ ఇస్ థార్, నాట్ కార్. So as you can see, Kia Seltos could only make it till this point, but ours is Mahindra Thar. So we are going to do this off-roading now. Woo!
Only can do
Off-roading, when off-roading is in your blood.
Ready to action.
And forget not, the vehicle is still in 4x2. I didn't even activate 4x4. This is the power of Thar. Woo!
రైట్ సైడ్ మొత్తం డౌన్ ఉంది.
The benefits of having a 4x4. But still, vehicle is cruising in 4x2. Borg Warner is taking rest. I did not activate it. I think we have entered a point where it is a hard stop. So from here we need to walk, I guess. So stay tuned, guys. We'll get connected in a short time.
రైట్.
Hi! Finally, we have entered Bhimanipadam waterfalls. You can see the background. This is completely a jungle trail. So we need to see. I can hear the water sound, but we still need to explore and see where exactly the waterfalls are located. I think I wore a proper gear compatible to this atmosphere. Yeah. ప్రశాంత్ కంటిన్యూస్ రికార్డ్ చేయి. నాని కంటిన్యూస్ ఫోన్ గట్టిగా పట్టుకో నాని.
యా.
ఉన్నాయా బ్రదర్ వాటర్? సూపర్. ఎవరన్నా ఉన్నారా? ఎక్కువ మంది ఏం లేరా? ఉండాలి మరి. థ్యాంక్స్ బ్రదర్. So guys, you can see ఒక్క నిమిషం You can see I just entered a small creek. So the creek is flowing right next to me. I can also see the waterfalls. I can also see the waterfalls right there. Just give us 2 minutes and we'll take you there.
Start.
So now we'll try to see if this particular road will take us to the top of the waterfalls. Yes, Prashanti, do. This is where it is. Again, I am sitting on the tip of the waterfall. Water flowing right below my feet. You can see waterfall right below my feet. So finally, Insane Wanderers made it to the top of Bhimuni Padam. Woo! Waterfall right below my feet. This is the tip of the waterfall. One wrong move and you are gone. So we are going to risk a little bit. We will just travel through this route only. All thanks to Decathlon for these waterproof shoes.
వాటర్ చల్లగానే ఉంటాయి.
అరే వాటర్ వేడిగా ఉండడానికి గీజర్ ఏమైనా ఉందారా ఇక్కడ?
పెట్టిద్దాం మనం.
హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్. బాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్. ఎందుకు చెప్పాలనిపించింది ఫ్రెండ్స్? You wanted to take a slow-mo? Slow-mo ఏమన్నా తీస్తావా?
దీన్ని తీయాలి స్లోమో.
అయితే అక్కడికి వెళ్దాం మరి. భయ్యా guys, this is Bhimuni Padam waterfalls. Right next to me. Finally, we have arrived at Bhimuni Padam waterfalls, which I always wanted to show on Insane Wanderers.
మొత్తం గుర్తని చెక్కినట్టు ఉన్నారు.
ఫోన్ సిగ్నల్ ఉందా?
ఏమో.
హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్.
బాగున్నారా ఫ్రెండ్స్?
బాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్. ఎందుకో చెప్పాలనిపించింది ఫ్రెండ్స్. So currently, natural fish spa is happening to my leg. Generally in city they charge 150-200 rupees. If you plan at Jubilee Hills or Banjara Hills, then minimum of 1000 rupees. Now I'm getting it for free.
నాకు గుర్తులేదండి. ఏమో గుర్తుంది ఇక్కడ.
ఇగో పట్టేసి ఇద్దరు వస్తారు ఇదే. You can see guys, natural fish spa. So enjoying nature and enjoying natural fish spa amidst nature at a free-flowing water. There are literally nobody in this place. So it is completely been occupied by Insane Wanderers. This should be one of your mandatory destinations. This is around 240 kilometers from Hyderabad. It is better if you start at 4 AM in the morning. This is amazing! So we are going to spend a little over 2 or 3 hours here and then we are going to head back home. So Insane Wanderers once again proved that they can go to any extent in search of adrenaline rush. So what are you waiting for? Get subscribed, share the word, spread the channel, be a part of Insane Wanderers. So this is Bhimanipadam waterfall. This is around 240 kilometers from Hyderabad. I again suggest start very early in the morning. Be the early bird. Occupy the place. In this COVID time, there are literally no one excepting 3 members of Insane Wanderers. We are having loads of fun, and you can also get your speech spa done at absolutely free of cost. So I am planning to get to that rock right there. Let's go. Beer bottles everywhere, yeah.
ఇట్లా ఇది పాంపూసం అది పాంపూసం అది కుబుసం కుబుసం
Guys, the thing what you are seeing on the screen is the skin of the snake. So I don't think this is not funny anymore. We might have snakes, so we are heading back. Finally, the day ended with pulihora, tamarind rice, soft drinks. You can see Insane Wanderers enjoying their meal under a tree. So with this, we can say the trip is complete. Thank you for watching another video of Insane Wanderers. So we have reached till 500 subscribers. We would need even more. Please support us in the form of a share, like and subscribe. And I have seen most of my subscribers haven't hit that bell icon. If you do not hit the bell icon, you will miss on our notifications. In order to not miss any notifications, please consider subscribing and please consider hitting that bell icon. Please support to expand this channel, because any money that we get out of YouTube in the due course of time will be spent on the voice desk. We want to donate all the money we receive from this channel to the stray animals who are abandoned, who are abused and who doesn't have any homes. So please have a heart. Please consider subscribing. We promise to help the voice desk. So stay connected, stay subscribed. This is Sashanka from Insane Wanderers signing off. Bye.